Hi, in this video, we will learn how to calculate a percentage formula in Excel. Step by step, I use the exact process to calculate the percentage in Spreadsheet In by using Microsoft Excel. Keep watching. How to calculate percentage in Excel. Now let's dive into the computer screen. You can see a simple spreadsheet here with student names and their marks on my sheet. So we will be calculating what are the total marks obtained by the students in overall subjects and calculate what is the percentage. Now we will carry forward a few simple inbuilt functions in Excel to calculate that. First, we will be calculating the sum of marks. Equals to sum function and select the range of cells. Close the bracket, press enter. So you have the sum now, so we have to calculate it, repeat. So by clicking on the same formula, now we have the total of all the subjects for individual students, and now let's calculate percentage. So usually we use the, divide by option, that is divide the total number of marks obtained by the total number of marks available. That is, we will be dividing 407 by 500, and then we will be multiplying that into 100. So that's how we calculate the percentage. So cell G, 2 divided by cell H, 2 press enter, and you will end up with, the decimal format. That's perfectly all right. Now we have also extended the same formula for all our cells. Now select this overall column or select the highlighted cells, right? And get into the data type here. You have general. So that's why we have got that decimal format. But when you press percentage, you'll have the actual percentage of all the students according to their marks achieved. So that's how you calculate percentage in Excel. So with that, we have come to it. We have another example for calculate percentage in Excel. See, we have data here. This is name, and these are their subjects in which these are their marks. So this is total, and this is percentage. As you can see here, whenever I change the mark, and here percentage also changes. So actually, how can you make it? Let's see. First of all, we remove this our mother often to find out total marks. You have to use that time, and you submit this, so your total marks will not go. If you go to find out percentage, then what will have to be done? Total marks divided by total property owner sports. Every subject was of phone number. So total office took 400 marks, became 4th September, as we used to do this in match, also 100 marks. But there are subjects. In 4 subjects, multiply 40, sister god. This problem is used. This was the method you used in your school days also. You can actually calculate the percentage from this. See, if I give marks, then the percentage will also change. So in this video, we learn how to calculate the percentage using in Microsoft Excel. Now it's time for you. Let me know which example you try first and let me know in the comments section. All right, if my video helped you anyway, hit the subscribe button and press the like button and open the notification section every time you will see new videos.